James Opondo. Riwruog mar lakteche mar KMPDU bago chako ng'anyo bang' jumbe ariyo poni piny owacho pod oramo ni ok giketie tim winjruok margi kata CBA kane giloso e kaunti ma Nakuru bang' romo mane otelie kod jagoro maduong' mar riwruogno Davji Atela oyangore ni sirikand mag kaunti ok oseyie keto tim winjruok margi ahinya to ma otenore gi medo lemo kod omenda ne lakteche kauntis ma midhiero ni okwako oriwo Kajiado, Kilifi, Nakuru kod Embu. Atela okoni lakteche go ok bidokie tich nyaka winjruok margi chop kare.
So we have 5 counties that are going on strike this month, basically because the counties have failed to honor the agreement, the collective bargaining agreements, and to capacitate the doctors to offer services. We also have Busia County, which is on notice. Those were main discussions regarding the strike of the region. As we say, the county of Kajiado, the county of Nakuru, the county of Embu, the county of Kilifi, and the county of Vihiga. I must also say that we have discussed into details the daylight robbery that the government has started on our salaries. We saw the housing levy, which clearly is unconstitutional. So as the National Advisory Council, we are demanding that the government, both the county and national government, to plan mechanisms to refund us these funds urgently. We are telling the Ministry of Health to look into this matter very seriously and ensure that the enhanced cover that we were having, the civil servant that was being offered by the National Hospital Insurance Fund, is part of this shift. Otherwise, we will not be offering services and we can't able to access them. Today, we have unanimously decided as KMPDU that we are demanding a salary increase. And we want the government to get down into the table and increase our salaries. We tried last time, and SRC gave us a blockage. The last time we saw any changes in our pay slips was in 2017. We are demanding for salary increase to the tune of 40%.